Hey guys, welcome to Iscool. In our today's realistic art episode, we want to welcome you to a very special guest who happens to be a millionaire posh animal. It's a chameleon. Yes, it has a million colors that they change just like your partner depending on their mood. I'm talking about the clothes though of your partner. So let's bring this very fancy glamorous animal alive through our art today. We're gonna start with sketching the body. Here, we are using my same art paper and 2B pencil, nothing fancy. Now, let's draw its 360-degree camera. I mean, its eyes. Yes, you heard it right. Chameleons can look in any directions almost 360 degrees. This makes them a popular household choice as a home security camera. Just kidding! Now, let's get a branch where it will stick to. They often lean around the branches to hide from disturbance and wait for their prey. Its prey includes mostly insects. A quick reminder, it takes hours to draw and edit these beautiful arts. So if you subscribe to our channel, it will motivate us and will mean a lot to us. So hit the subscribe button now. Oh, and one more announcement. Thanks to our Patreons, Tarek and Nicole for supporting us on our Patreon. Well, you can also become our Patreon to get extra perks from us, like extra footages from these videos. Well, our sketch is done. Before coloring, let's slide in the pencil marks with an eraser. This will help you blend the color nicely. Now, we're gonna color it. We'll use pencil color and a lazy brush to color it. I started with yellow not because it's a dirty fellow, but because of my mood right now. We're gonna put yellow on upper and lower body. Then light orangish kind of color onto the branch. Some green stripes. Some light blue shades. Then yellow again. Now, some kind of red splash on its tail and on its body. Then 50 Shades of Blue again. And then of course, Chameleon's thousands of pores. Face masks are not available in the jungle, so Chameleons just can't help itself with it. Now we are almost done. Isn't it beautiful? I love this splash of colors on it. Such a beautiful millionaire creature it is. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for our upcoming videos as well. And share this art with your friends. Thank you.